Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any Android smartphones or tablets gets automatically locked when it's being moved. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to download one application named as Private Lock. So I'll be leaving this application's download link in the video description, so you can click there and download this application. Then after that, just tap on it to open this application. So on opening it, it will show you some instructions. Just tap on this right arrow in order to skip. So once you are done, you will see this kind of options available inside this applications. On the above, you will see a start, and next to it is a settings option. So under the settings option, you can see here the first option is a system start. So whenever you turn on your Android smartphone, you can just enable this application by turning on this first option. And the second option is a haptic feedback. If you want a vibration while using this application, then you can enable this. And the third option is run services when locked. Even if you want it to make it work even when your screen is locked, then you can enable this option. And there is a pause limit. You can pause this application for 1 minute or 15 minutes. So these are the options you will get inside this application settings. Now you can see below, set the lock sensitivity. So by default you will see the value is under 10. So you can increase or decrease just by sliding. You can increase or decrease just by sliding, or you can keep it out 0 also. And the lock sensitivity you can see here. So testing, so you can test it by moving or shaking your Android smartphone. So in order to use this application, just tap on the start on the above and click on this activate. Just open it again. Now just click on allow. Now you can just test it. So you can see here it's being locked. So click on the start again. Now you can see a notification. So this application is running. Now whenever you move your Android smartphone, so you can see here it gets automatically locked. So using this application named as Private Lock, you can make any Android smartphones or tablets gets automatically locked when it's being moved. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.